Hi guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Keep. So Google Keep is one of my favorite organizational tools that you can use to structure your life. So when you enter the Google Keep, now mind you, you can use this on your phone as well. You can see there are notes, there are reminders, you can edit labels, create labels, an archive and a bin, right? So let's say you want to take a note. Let's say you want to say this week, all right? And you can create checkboxes. So what you want to do is you want to go to more and go to show tick boxes. So this is a very easy way to say to organize stuff, right? So done with that. So now let's say on Monday, obviously it won't be one thing. So you can drag this to create multiple events. Work, household, like that, right? So this is a simple way where you can organize and make it a little bit easier to manage your flow. So this is one thing, right? So if you want, you can pin it if you have other notes. You can even create a label. So let me show you how. So you go to more and put add label. So let's say you can label the note as calendar and you click create. So now you see that a new label has been created. Just like that, you can make even more labels. Let's say, let's create a new label separately for work. Alright, when you go to this, you can create any amount of notes here. Let's say meeting Mondays. Alright, show tick boxes, things needed to be done. Add a subheading. You can even format it here using the formatting option. So you can make it big, you can make it smaller, you can make it the normal size, you can bolden it. To bolden it, mind you have to press Ctrl A to select it and then click it, alright? Now mind you, this works fantastic on the phone as well, so it's very easy to sync. Another beautiful aspect of this is that it's all synced in Google Calendar and Google Tasks. So let's say you go to reminders and you say take a note. Let's say remind me to take out the trash. So you can set a time as, let's say, tomorrow, on the 20th at afternoon and save it. So this actually goes automatically to your Google Tasks and your Google Calendar as well. So it's automatically synchronized. Next, you can collaborate. Let's say I want to collaborate with a certain individual. So now that person has access to this note as well. All they need to do is search for that person and you can find it. If you want, you can archive this, so you can find it in the archive, or you can even delete it, so then you can find it in the bin. And then you can empty the bin, it automatically gets deleted after 7 days. So these labels make it very easy to work because things are separated, things are organized, not everything is in one place. So when you go to notes, all of it will be there and you can pin or unpin to move it around. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was very brief, but I just wanted you to introduce to one of the organizational apps that Google has made, which is connected with Google Tasks and Google Calendar to make your life a little bit easier to have things in place. Thanks for watching and follow for more.